When wiring can lights, the choice between quick connects and wire nuts is a common consideration. Quick connects are known for their speed and ease of use, making them ideal for low voltage applications. They can also be reused, which can be an advantage in some situations. Wire nuts, on the other hand, are generally considered to provide a more secure connection and are longer lasting, making them better suited for higher power applications. Regarding NM cable entry into electrical boxes, there are two main methods: the NM hole and the use of 3/8 NM connectors. The NM hole is an existing opening in the electrical box designed for running NM cable. It provides some degree of strain relief. However, 3/8 NM connectors clamp over the NM cable and the box knockout, providing a stronger and more reliable strain relief. The National Electrical Code, or NEC, addresses these wiring methods and provides specific guidelines that must be followed to ensure safety and compliance. NEC 110.14b covers quick connects, stating that they must be listed for specific applications and comply with the manufacturer's instructions. Similarly, NEC 110.14 addresses wire nuts, requiring that they be listed for the specific applications and used in accordance with the manufacturer's instructions. For NM cable installation, NEC 300.15c mandates that NM cable must be secured within 12 inches of every box, including at the point of entry. This is crucial for preventing strain on the connections inside the box. NEC 300.15d further specifies that approved connectors must be used for entering boxes and cabinets. This reinforces the importance of using appropriate fittings like 3/8 NM connectors for secure and code-compliant installations. While code requirements provide a baseline for safe electrical work, the choice between quick connects, wire nuts, NM holes, and 3/8 NM connectors often comes down to personal preference and the specific application. It's crucial to balance ease of use with the need for a durable and reliable connection. Several factors should be considered when making these decisions. Firstly, the application is important. Quick connects are generally preferred for low voltage lighting circuits, where the current draw is minimal. Wire nuts are typically recommended for higher power applications where a more robust connection is necessary to handle the increased current. Secondly, durability plays a key role. Wire nuts tend to provide a more secure and longer lasting connection compared to quick connects. This is particularly important in locations where the wiring may be subjected to vibration or physical stress. Thirdly, strain relief is a critical consideration for preventing damage to the wiring and connections. Using 3/8 NM connectors offers stronger strain relief than relying solely on the NM hole in the electrical box. Finally, ease of use is a practical factor. Quick connects are faster and easier to install than wire nuts, which can save time on larger projects. In summary, when wiring can light, carefully evaluate the advantages and disadvantages of quick connects and wire nuts, as well as the different methods for securing NM cable. Always adhere to the NEC guidelines and prioritize safety and reliability in your electrical installations. Remember that proper wiring techniques and code compliance are essential for preventing electrical hazards and ensuring the long-term performance of your lighting system. Make sure all products are listed and are labeled to meet the minimum requirements for safety. This listing or labeling is usually performed by Underwriters Laboratories, Intertek, or another nationally recognized testing laboratory.